Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here guys from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you have one of those and you have a sound amplifier installed in your car, original factory one, you need to find where the fuse is located. We will explain that, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tubes, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tubes, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the sound amplifier fuse guys, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry right here guys. You have, by the way, two different fuse boxes in this car, and today we will be working just one that's located under the hood. So open the hood guys, and if you face the engine on the right side right here, you have one cover, okay, right here, remove it. Underneath it is the main engine fuse box. Once you open it, the layout of the main engine fuse box will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you have sound amplifier, okay, you will have that fuse. Otherwise you will just have radio fuses. So if you have problems with sound, check the radio fuses as well. We have a special video about that. But the special sound amplifier fuse will be located in this row right here. If you come and you start with 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It will be that fuse guys right here that you will need to check. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.